When you start producing lots of conversations from your web chat feature, or from lead generation, or just customers reaching out to you in your CRM, most likely you're going to get asked common questions. Things like, what are your hours of operation? Where can I find out more info? Can you send me a brochure? Can you send me a link to pay? What are you open on a Saturday? There's all kinds of different common questions that most likely it can weigh down your inbox with these common questions that you have to just type over and over and over again. Now, one of the great things about the platform is that we have a method to use templates. What you can do is create quick response templates. You can do text and email, where you can pre-write common answers to responses. And these can help your responding on conversations and make it ridiculously fast. So let me show you how to set this up. While you're under the conversations panel on the left, up here at the top, you're going to see this button here called templates. Click templates, and right here you'll see this blue button over here where you can add a template. Click down and you can select either text template or email template. Let's start with text. So first we'll select text and we'll give it a name. This is what you're going to call your template. So you want to name it something that you can remember and quickly understand what the actual template is about. So let's do hours of operation. So we'll call it hours of operation. Then maybe we include a little message. Hey, thanks for your message. Or thanks for your question. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. You can go through it and make sure it all looks great. And you can also include what's called custom values. So if you click if you wanted to have a hey first name, what you could do instead of having to type this, you can add a custom value, and then what it'll do is pull the contact record's name for you and input that into the message. You can use custom values for a number of different things. Emails, phone numbers, appointment times, calendar links, messages. You can also use custom values that you set up. There's all kinds of these, and it's important to go through and play and see what kinds of information you can use through custom values to save time. Now you can also add in what's called a trigger link. You can set up special links that are tracked inside the platform. So if you have these already set up, you can add in a link. So for example, maybe you have a link that goes to a specific product, and then when a customer goes there, it can actually trigger additional marketing campaigns. It can track that link to be able to know if that customer has clicked that link and found out more information. Trigger links are great ways of being able to track your results. Now, once your message is perfect, then you can save it. Now you can use this message as a quick response template. So let's see what that looks like. Let's jump back over to the conversations panel. Let's pretend that Michael has asked, instead of that he needed a rate on El Camino, let's say that they asked for the hours of operation. Well, all you have to do to respond, click down here, use a template, hit the drop-down box, and click hours of operation. Now it's pre-written the perfect response that you can click go, and it can automatically send the message. Now you can also do this with email templates as well. So just like the text message before, you're going to start with a name. So you could do hours of operation, except this time we do have a subject. So you could do, here are our hours. And then you can type your message and save it. So you can create these templates for just about anything. I recommend hitting an email and a text template for every single type of message. That way you can quickly jump between the two if somebody responds via email or text. So that's how you set up message templates. I hope it makes things faster and better when responding to conversations.